Good morning, guys! Let's take a peek inside the deluxe room at Mandarin Oriental Bangkok. By the way, I'm Jamrell, a Filipina in Thailand with big dreams of traveling the world. I filmed this vlog during the Songkran break and had the amazing opportunity to stay at Mandarin Oriental with my friend Carl. Now, Mandarin Oriental is one of the top and priciest luxury hotels in Bangkok. Just look at that stunning view of ICONSIAM and the Chao River. As someone who usually stays in budget hotels, I was honestly blown away by the service and attention to detail here. Here's a quick look at the bathroom. It comes with a bathtub and, of course, all the essentials. The toilet opens automatically and even has a built-in bidet system. Wow! The shampoo, soap, and lotion are all lemongrass scented, which is super refreshing. If you're worried about your valuables, no problem. There's a secure safe inside the closet. And for my fellow caffeine lovers, they have an espresso machine and a kettle with complimentary coffee and tea. Of course, like most luxury hotels, the minibar snacks and drinks are priced higher than your usual convenience store. But what really stood out to me were the thoughtful touches like this fan-shaped wooden card you place on your pillow if you want your linens or towels changed. If it's your birthday, they surprise you with a cake in your room. I didn't expect much, but wow! The chocolate cake was so good. It was creamy, soft, and perfectly sweet. At night, the atmosphere changes. The staff sets up the room for sleep. They turn on the TV with relaxing music and place your slippers by the bed. The balcony became my favorite spot. You get a gorgeous view of the lights from ICONSIAM and the cruise ships gliding along the Chao River.
Good morning, guys! Dito kami sa Mandarin Oriental. Kakagising with Carl, pero he's camera shy at the moment. So, lang guys, kumakain kami ng breakfast. Wala pang makeup, kakagising lang. Ganun talaga guys pag hinahabol yung breakfast. So, I'm eating here with Carl and masarap yung food. Grabe guys. Parang hindi ko maintindihan yung food choices. Parang very social siya. Kapon maka, thank you. So, eto, we're just eating and later itutour ka namin sa place. Pero here's what our front looks like. Yung kinuha ko lang guys yung mga naiintindihan ko. So may hash brown, may parang sausage, bacon, chicken, tas may pudding, tas nagkape din ako. Then kumuha ko ng parang salad na parang healthy. So that was my attempt at being healthy, pero wala na, out of the window na yan guys, hindi na pwede, charot. So ito, of course, always my coffee. Masarap yung mocha coffee nila, tas served with milk at may juice. At ito, nag-pudding din ako, diba? Social guys. So yeah, let's take a look at the place around later. Let's take a look around at the place later. See you guys!
Mandarin Oriental is a luxury hotel, and what I love about this hotel is that it is very attentive to the details of every guest's needs. So I have been to other Mandarin Oriental hotels, and they're very consistent in terms of their services, in terms of how they take care of the guests, which is why I would consider myself a fan.
A fan,
yes. So that's why whenever I'm in Bangkok or whenever I'm traveling to countries with Mandarin Oriental, I do try my best to really stay in that hotel if they have the availability on their hotel. Yeah, in terms of occupancy, because when it's high season like this, it's very like the Songkran festival, so it's very I would say challenging or difficult to get a room because people really want to, stay in Bangkok. Tourists are coming in, especially that this area or the location of Mandarin Oriental is very nearby to the Silom area, which is very a popular place for the water fight. So yeah, I'm very happy that I was able to book here for this stay, and I have Jam with me to also experience the Mandarin Oriental, which I really love.
Now that we've explored the room, let's head to ICONSIAM, which is the luxury mall just across the river. If you're staying at Mandarin Oriental, they even have a private boat that takes you straight to the mall, which is super convenient. Quick segue, if you're a traveler and you're looking for tours where you can meet other people around Asia, then I recommend booking a tour through Klook.com. Use my code JamrellBKlook to get 5% off on your tours. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where we will explore ICONSIAM. Carpe diem, go and seize the day.